Where's Papa?
Huh?
It's Papa. Say hi, Papa. Say hi, Papa. Yes, say hi to Papa. Yes. Yes. Say hi to Papa. Say
No.
hi, Papa.
No.
You don't want to say hi to Papa now?
No.
Where's
I
Papa?
gotta go get dressed.
Where's Papa?
They won't.
He where?
Mom.
He's at home?
Mom. Up.
In his room?
Huh?
In his room? Where's Papa?
Mom, Winnie.
Is he on the moon?
Huh?
Did he go swim or did he go swimming?
Yeah.
Did he go in airplane?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Go.
Where'd he go?
It's Winnie.
You love Papa?
Huh?
You love Papa?
No.
Say, yes, I do.
No.
Yes, you do.
No.
I love my Papa Trumpy.
Huh?
Say, Papa Trumpy.
Uh-uh.
Yeah. Did you see that lip?
A bubble.
Papa? Where is he?
Yeah, up.
In the sky?
Huh?
Is he up in the sky?
No.
Where is he?
Go.
Where'd he go?
Go.
Where'd Papa go?
Hmm?
Where'd Papa go?
Uh-uh.
Did he go airplane?
Huh?
Did he go in an airplane?
I'll be.
Airplane. Let's go see him. Let's go find him. Where's Papa? I think he might be outside.
Go.
Where'd he go?
Go.
Where's my Papa?
Go, Papa.
You want Papa?
Outside.
You want to go inside?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. So let's go, Papa. I'm going to see my Papa. Where'd he go?
Huh?
No, that's dirty.
Huh?
Chewy.
Go, Papa.
You gonna go see Papa?
Yeah.
Yeah, you love your Papa?
Hmm?
You love your Papa?
Ow.
Okay, say bye-bye, Papa.
Hmm?
Say bye-bye, Momo.
And Papa.
What? Where's Papa?
Papa. She Papa.
You want to see Papa?
Yeah.
Where is he?
And Papa.
Papa's not on here.
Huh?
He's not on Momo's camera. What are you doing?
Go. Walk.
A rock? It's not a rock. It's an acorn.
Oh, walk.
It's an acorn. Uh-oh.
Walk.
No, it's not. Uh-oh. Oh. Throw it to Momo.
Huh?
Throw it to Momo.
Who's it?
Huh?
Who's it?
Okay. Woo!
Who's it?
Where'd Kelsey go?
Up moon.
Up in the moon? That's where Papa is.
Go.
Where's Papa?
Go.
Where'd she go?
Go. Who's Cassie?
Where's Kelsey?
Jeremy.
No, that wasn't Jeremy.
Huh?
That wasn't Jeremy.
Jeremy?
No.
Jeremy?
No, Jeremy's not here.
Huh?
No, Jeremy's not here.
Jeremy.
Okay, well, we'll see Jeremy soon.
Papa.
You want to see Papa, don't you?
Go. Go with Cassie.
No, Kelsey's in the house.
Huh?
Kelsey's in the house.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, that's where she went. Let's go find her.
Huh?
Let's go find her. Come on. Okay, let's go find Kelsey. Bye.
Huh?
Turn around. Say bye.
Huh?
Say bye to Mama. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to the camera.
Huh?
Okay, bye.